Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are coming to you from the K-INNOSHOW 2025 to introduce you to one of South Korea's most exciting K-tech companies. And first up, we're looking at a company that is a total standout in the world of beauty and AI, Lululab.
So let's start with their mission, which honestly tells you everything you need to know. This isn't just about selling you a new face cream. No, they want to build an entire ecosystem, a whole network, all powered by data about our own skin. It's a huge, bold vision. And as you're about to see, they've absolutely got the technology to make it happen.
All right, so here's how we're going to unpack the incredible story of Lululab. We'll start with their origins. Then we'll dive into their amazing AI technology. After that, we'll cover their journey to getting global recognition. And finally, we're going to explore their really ambitious vision for the future of our health. So, where did a company like this even come from? Well, like a lot of the best tech stories, Lululab's journey started inside one of the most respected tech incubators on the planet. This gave them a kind of pedigree that very, very few startups can claim right out of the gate. You see, Lululab wasn't dreamed up in a garage. It was born inside Samsung's C-Lab. Now, this is a program specifically designed to find and grow the absolute best ideas from inside Samsung itself. So when Lululab spun off in 2017, they already had this incredibly strong foundation in world-class tech. I mean, that's a heck of a head start, right? And their rise since then has been, well, just explosive. Think about it. They launched in 2017. And just 2 years later, they're already winning a major award at CES. Then they locked down some serious funding, and now they're even planning to go public. That's not just growth, that's a rocket ship. Okay, now let's get into the really cool part, the core technology. It's designed to solve a problem that, let's be honest, most of us have, trying to figure out what our skin actually needs. And for Lululab, the answer to that question starts with a massive amount of data. It all comes down to the sheer scale of their data. Their AI has been trained on more than 5 million skin records. And crucially, this is from a diverse global population. So this isn't about an AI that only understands one type of skin. It's about understanding skin from every ethnicity, every age, which is what you absolutely need for true personalization. And here's where it gets mind-blowing. The AI delivers 96% accuracy. We're talking near dermatologist level in just 7 seconds. 7! It's not just powerful, it's lightning fast, which means there's zero friction for you, the user. So how does it all work for you? Well, it's this beautifully simple 3-step process. You just take a selfie, the AI instantly analyzes everything. Pores, wrinkles, sebum, you name it. And boom, you get a personalized recommendation for products and treatments. It's incredibly sophisticated tech made incredibly simple. And they're super smart about how they get this tech into your hands. If you're in a store, you might see one of their Lumini kiosks. But they also offer a software kit, an SDK, so that any beauty brand can build this exact same technology right into their own website or app. It's a brilliant move to be everywhere the customer is. Okay, so you've got this amazing technology, but how do you prove to the rest of the world that it's the real deal? Gaining the trust of global giants is what separates a cool startup from a true game changer. Let's look at how Lululab earned its stripes on the world stage. I mean, their trophy case is pretty stacked. 4 years in a row winning innovation awards at CES, a top Red Dot Design Award, but look at that third one. Being a finalist for the LVMH Innovation Award, that's the one that really cracked open the door to the biggest names in luxury. Now, just picture this moment. You're at Vivatech in Paris, one of the biggest tech conferences in the world, and you're on stage presenting your vision. And in the audience is Bernard Arnault, the chairman of LVMH, the most powerful luxury group on earth. I mean, talk about pressure. This wasn't just a pitch, it was a command performance. And clearly, they delivered. So that big moment, it wasn't just for show. It led to these real powerful partnerships. They're now working with Sephora, the #1 beauty retailer in the world. They're in top-tier stores in Korea, across the Middle East. This is what it looks like when the world says, okay, we're in. But Lululab is not stopping with just helping you find the perfect moisturizer. And this is where the story takes a truly fascinating turn, a turn toward the future of healthcare itself, using the very same data they've been collecting all along. This right here, this is the master plan. You can see the evolution laid out. What started as a platform for personalized beauty, let's call that Lululab 2.0, is now becoming a digital healthcare platform. They realized that their massive database of skin could be used as a biomarker, basically an early warning sign for our overall health. And this isn't some far-off sci-fi idea. They are actively working on this right now with major university hospitals, developing AI that can spot 15 different skin diseases. And even more groundbreaking, they're researching how tiny changes in our facial muscles, captured by that same selfie, could one day help detect diseases like Parkinson's early. So it all comes down to this one amazing question. Could a simple selfie, something we take every day without a second thought, actually help diagnose a serious disease? Lululab is betting everything that it can. The same photo that helps you pick a face cream today might screen you for a health condition tomorrow. That is a profound shift in what's possible. Companies like Lululab really showcase the incredible, world-changing innovation that's just pouring out of Korea's tech scene. And it's all supported by vital initiatives from organizations like the Ministry of SMEs and Startups, which are dedicated to fostering the growth of these groundbreaking companies. They are truly shaping our future. Thanks so much for joining this explainer.